But una way dey inside, we una no let us see wetin dem dey use the money take dey do. Light we not get. To see water, you go buy water for Edo State. Light, before you see light, na problem. If they bring light, everybody go dey shine up NEPA. For light go there 2 weeks, 3 weeks, no light. So what are we talking about? I want use God take beg Edo State people. May we wake up. May we wake up, If una not wake up for this time, it's too late to cry when the head is off. May we wake up. May we wake up. Now time for us to fight for our right line be this. The time, the opportunity where we get, we want to fight for our rights, now we get. So if you don't pass this opportunity, we not get another time again to fight again. Oshomole wey dey call like they talk say, na so you do this one, na so you do. Our money wey carry take go marry small girl, our money wey take go marry small girl. That money they never see the place and finish. Oh, you just say na Oshomole money na take go marry that Oyibo girl. A girl of 17 years, I be 20-something years. You see that money take go marry that girl. Now I don't money, our Benin money, now take go marry that girl. Okay, you don't come now, you don't rule for years. You for your now you see another person where won't come out. Now you say you know they agree. Me, I not join anybody. Oh, whether Oshomole, whether Obaseki, I'm not join anyone because they not get help that they give me. They not they help my family. I not join anyone. But waiting me they talk, the one where you go favor Edo State, where you go start for somewhere, not be saying I go there. This one go say he work. Where this one for start, now for start. The one what Oshomole do now, that time that they praise Oshomole, those things now with the concern, with the youth of Edo State, with the mothers, with the fathers of Edo State, we are the one causing those things. Oshomole come for that 4 years. They say he do something, and he don't change everywhere for Benin, everywhere don't change for Benin, everywhere don't okay for. Now we the youth of those states, now if I talk on that time, so Oshomole was a nice person. We can see later come back again for 8 years. That 8 years where it take come back, that 4 years where it come back again. Now it take carry all una money, gather everything, go use and marry small girl. Okay, if Oshomole not say not the profit for the matter, why be this matter put for head when you don't already rule your own commot? You don't rule your own, why you know what commot? Leave another people make the rule. Your tenant don't come on. Now you bring up Obaseki. They say PDP no good. PDP done not so that now because on this life before you do anything, I'm talking to the youth of Edo State. Before you people do something now, you need to think very well. Not be say tomorrow after I don't clap, follow the finish. When I don't choose finish, when I will come the regret. I don't know. You know they achieve better thing tomorrow. I will say we know. Because this Oshomole when you see they say Obaseki not good, so now this Oshomole now bring Obaseki come outside. Tell me people only 4 years ago. Our president, our governor matter. What it concern Oshomole for inside? What it be Oshomole problem? He never rule 8 years come out. He never rule 8 years come out. The time where Osumbo. But when they come together, where Oshomole go court, when they come judge the matter, they say now Oshomole win. He not leave Oshomole. He leave Oshomole to rule. He give Oshomole space. Why be say Oshomole no one give his Iyamu space? They go mad. What it be? He don't rule. He don't rule it. So make he give another person turn. Not be Oshomole go come out talk and say we don't need this Iyamu, we don't need this one. Now we the youth, we have the right. We the people of Edo State have the right to say is there Iyamu, we don't need you or we need you. It's not Oshomole that will say it. Also Oshomole don't rule you come out now. Our people, may we wake up, May we wake up because that governor for Edo State, they won't use that change to family circle. They won't use that change to their after this one come out, this one go bring this one after this. No, our youth of Edo State, let's wake up. Our papa, our mama, may we open our eye where those people they are joining us. Those people that they use us, they not say we get bright future, but those bright future, they are wasting it. They are wasting the time. The time where what did I call this man? Lucky Millennium. the time wey Lucky Gbine don dey governor, when Lucky Gbine comot, wey another person enter, na so Lucky Gbine don come dey attack the governor wey dey put. Na so Lucky Gbine don come dey attack the governor wey dey put. So what are we talking about? Wetin be Oshiomhole problem? Wetin be problem? Even though we say Obaseki no good, na we the people, na we go decide say okay, the way Obaseki take rule for 4 years, we no like am, we need another person for inside. No be Oshiomhole go dey decide for us. Oshiomhole don eat our money before, use our money go marry small girl. He don use our money before. Na now he wan come dey come and dey talk. Na wetin dey teach people wey he come, na they go learn. If Izei Iyamu no do anything for Edo State, now Oshiomhole na he cause am. Why? Because now Oshiomhole bring Izei Iyamu come outside. All those their godfather, wey they take dey bring people, wey they take dey spoil Edo State, wey make that Nigeria no settle today. They make Nigeria no settle. You wey be Oshiomhole now, you rule for 8 years, 8 good years in your turn, in your time. You rule for 8 years. You no rule for 4 years. Make them bring other person come put. Okay, now after that 8 years now, you see they find where to see comot the person where you big. Now you bring Izei Iyamu. Now you stand for am. When make people take vote for am. Now, because of say no godfather matter again, maybe not settle you well or e not do you well. Now you can't say for this turn again, no fit come back again. Wetin concern Oshiomhole concern government matter. Oshiomhole don rule in 4 years comot. Wetin go concern na again? Wetin be Oshiomhole problem for inside this matter? Oshiomhole na only you want na be the people wey don fair rule as a governor for Edo State. Na only you want wey be say na you come carry the matter put for head. You don rule your own. You don rule your own. Why you no comot? Now we the youth, the Edo youth, the papa, the mama, now we go choose. No dey tell wetin we go do because Oshiomhole don eat our money, go marry small girl, go marry Oyibo. You think say na him money take marry am? Na why don money take marry am? Okay, you don your 8 years. Why you no leave us? Make the youth of the Benin let them conclude. Make the youth of the Benin, the papa, the mama wey dey Benin, make them talk wetin they need. Out of nowhere, don fair rule before go come dey fight for us. Go come dey talk wetin we want for Edo State. You no get right.